All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2017 Ford Escape. It is the SE model, beautiful tan or gold with black leather interior, premium sound system, steering wheel controls, alloy wheels, fog lights, backup camera, navigation system, super nice, and best of all, minimal damage around the body. Let's go real quick. Your front bumper looks good. Your front hood looks good. Your front fender looks very nice. Here's your front driver's rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing. Your tire thread is just under 730 seconds. Let's double check that. Yep, just under 730 seconds. This door looks good. This rear door looks good. And this quarter looks very nice. It's your rear driver's rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing. And your tire thread here is over 730 seconds. Here's a nice shot of your roof and what that looks like. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up there. Power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. It is a powered seat, as you can see. You jump in here, turn it on for you guys. Here's a push start system. Does come with the 1-key key fob combo and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Actually, no owner's manuals. You got your AM, FM, CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff. You got your Navi system right here. Fucking turn it on. There it is. Navigation system right there. AC control, backup camera, POW. AC controls right down below. Heated seats as well. Got steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on or any issues. And there's your mileage of 6,685. Need some gas. That's about it. Just keeping it moving. Turn on the lights. Turn on the fog lights. Boom. All right. It's got memory seating as well. I just noticed that. Of course, here's your rear passenger seat. What that looks like, no holes, no tears, no rips. Does have an armrest with cup holders. Coming around. Rear bumper looks good. Your rear deck lid looks pretty good. Here's a powered deck lid. Actually has a heavy scratch here, about an inch right there. And here, of course, is what your rear trunk space looks like. Pretty big and spacious. There is a spare tire here with some tools. Very nice. Does have your power lift gate right here. All right. This quarter here looks pretty good. Here's your rear passenger rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing. And your tire thread is over 730 seconds. This door looks pretty good. Here's the other side of the rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Front door here looks pretty good. Here's your front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. It is a powered seat as well. Front fender looks pretty good. Front passenger rim looks pretty good as well. Your tire thread here is just at 730 seconds. That's about it. Fog lights are working. Lights are on. Things are on. Folks, once again, this is a 2017 Ford Escape SE model with 6,000 miles. If you guys have any questions, concerns, please don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.